Hello and welcome to the first Tableau assignment that we'll be doing in this semester. On Blackboard, as you know, we have some information posted. You have the information to download Tableau itself. Hopefully you've already done that. You have an Excel spreadsheet called Tableau Fairmont Payroll and Sales. Please download that on your desktop. Once you've done that, you're ready to start the assignment. For the first assignment, I have a Word document opened over here for myself. I have used the snip and sketch tool to copy out just that portion of the assignment for chapter 1. As you would see, there is nothing here for the forensic audit finding that we need to do. Our only job is creating a Tableau workbook and connecting to a file. So that's what we're going to work on. Now I have downloaded Tableau and I have pinned the icon to the taskbar at the bottom to make it easier for me to open Tableau. So which is what I'm going to do now. And I'm just clicking on the button and it is going to start Tableau for me in a second. And now that I have started Tableau, I need to bring in data. So to bring in data, it's asking me what kind of data do I wish to bring in. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Excel. And by default, it goes into my desktop to look for the data. I already had labeled it as Tableau Fairmont Payroll and Sales, just so that I remember which file I want to bring in. In this case, I had only one file sitting up over here since I organized everything in folders. So go ahead and open that. We have now done our first task of importing the data. Now the next step is to save this. So click on File, Save As, and the name I'm going to give it is going to be pretty much the similar name that it had over here. The only difference now, as I've suggested in classes, we're always going to start every file name with our last name and then the name of the file. So here it's going to be Rao Fairmont Payroll and Sales. Okay. So I have saved it on my desktop. The next thing you need to do is go down to the bottom of the screen and click on Sheet 1. When you click on Sheet 1, what you need to do over here is you need to look and see what I have imported. So come up over here where it says Data. Below that, you will see that we are working on this payroll and sales file. Click on the View Data. The icon next to the filter is View Data. When you click on that, it's giving you a snapshot. It's giving you an image of what is in there. So I have 997 rows. This is what I wanted. Okay, I wanted to make sure that this was done. I imported 997 rows successfully into Tableau from Workbook. Again, go to the snip and sketch tool, click on New, and highlight this portion that you want to take a screenshot of. When you bring it in here, click on the copy button and go back to your Word document. Now in the Word document, I'm going to paste this. If you want, you could make it a little smaller. I don't need to read anything over here from this little chart. I'm just showing that I've done it. And in my comments, I will just write a quick note for myself. Successfully imported 997 rows of data from Microsoft Excel into Tableau. Okay. Now, I need to save this. I'd recommend you save it as a Word file first. So click on File, Save As. And I have created a folder on my desktop for Accounting 450. The first one I label as the file as Tableau assignment number 1. Click on Save. And then I will click again File, Save As. This time choose PDF and click on Save. I already had a file with that name, so I'm just saving it again. And the file has been saved. Okay. Now that I'm done with this, I go back to Blackboard And where you see T-1, that's the first assignment. You will click on this first assignment, and here it tells you you're already familiar with Blackboard and assignments. You browse on local files, and you would submit the PDF file. Submit the PDF file, and you will click open. You will see that the PDF file has been pulled over here, and you click on submit. And that pretty much takes care of your chapter 1 assignment. So get that done, and we can now get started with chapter 2 in the next video.